Renault Unveils Blue dCi 200 2-liter diesel with 200 horsepower and 400 Newton meters of torque. Even though Paris looks like it's going to be the first European capital to completely ban diesel engines, Renault has just updated its Blue dCi range in a big way. A total of 4 engines are about to enter production, including the flagship Blue dCi 200, which we think is pretty awesome. All of them comply with the latest emission regulations and are available with auto gearboxes, mainly the 7-speed EDC, but also a CVT in the case of the Colels. Looking at the engines, it makes 200 horsepower and 400 Newton meters of torque. Even though the official press release doesn't clearly state this, the unit is a 2-liter with a single turbocharger. There's also a less powerful version with 160 horsepower that replaces the bi-turbo 1.6 dCi and has 20 Newton meters more torque than its previous version. Using a urea-based solution, AdBlue, the SCR fitted to both engines turns pollutants, NOx emissions into nitrogen and water. The treatment of emissions has been further improved by locating the SCR system closing the engine than with the previous technologies, as the efficiency of the system depends on the temperature of the exhaust gases. The Espace and Talisman are both going to get this 2-liter engine, manufactured in Normandy towards the end of the year. Also, there are dCi 120 and 150 engines, which you may have heard about as well. These things are 1.7-liter units and will replace the 1.6 dCi.